welcome back to Sophie's Playday. Today I'm going to open L.O.L surprise box.
Ooh, it looks so pretty. This box is the spring box and the theme is dance. This is Dance BB hashtag dance challenge. Sophie, isn't the box so cool?
Yeah.
It's so colorful. There's a picture of VR Cutie on the side. And on this side it says outrageous. Alright, let's get to it and unbox this subscription box. Oh, everything's so colorful. And look, it says Dance Floor Divas. Wow. Look at all the surprise bags, all in yellow with pink pixels. Should we dump it all out and then unbox it?
Yeah.
Alright. Okay. First bag.
The small bags. Bracelets.
Ooh, pretty. There's pink, purple, and white. Let me see. Ooh, very pretty. It's super shiny. There's the VR Cutie charm. And there's a charm that says BB Dance Party and a pixel heart. Ooh, you got some more pins. You got two. Here are the two pins. One is player 1 and one is player 2. Player 1 is Miss Royal Heiny and player 2 is Beats.
Big hair. Ooh, some bobby pins.
Ooh, pretty. Here is the hairpin set. There's a pink bobby pin that says BB Dance Party. A blue one that says Groove Squad.
And it's clothes.
It's a t-shirt. Ooh, I like the bright colors. I love the pattern. And on the side, there's little ties, pink ties. Very cute. Next bag, which one will you pick?
This one.
It's a box. You got a box.
Let's go back.
Ooh.
Notebook?
Looks like that, but let's open and see. Look.
It's a mirror.
Oh, nice. It's a mirror. It's so stylish. It says Dance Dance Fashion BB. Two more bags. It's a big one.
This.
What does it say? Something. It's an LED table light. Ooh, the neon light.
Be careful.
Well, it's battery operated, so you don't have to plug it in. All right, we got batteries in. Let's turn it on. Ooh, I'm gonna turn off the light real quick. Ooh, look at that. We got yellow and red on one side.
That's bad. Oh.
We got a box.
I got another box. Another box. Ribbon.
Ooh, a water bottle. It says power up, player 1, 2, and loading. So this is the sleeve, and inside is a clear glass bottle with a pink lid. Now we can be hydrated with this cool water bottle. This bottle holds up to 480 milliliter of water. So here is everything we got in that subscription box. We got the cute t-shirt, the mirror, the bracelets, hairpins, and these two collectible pins.
In a water bottle.
And last, the neon light. That ends our video, friends. If you liked it, make sure you give Sophie a
thumbs up and subscribe to Sophie's Playday.
If you guys want to order this subscription box, the theme is Let's Dance, and you guys can still order it right now. I will leave the link in the description below for you guys to order. And I want to say big thank you to Culturefly and L.O.L Surprise Box for gifting this to us. Alright friends, I'll see you guys in our next video. Bye!